If you're a local organization that has a parent organization that you pass funds through to, let's say for membership, you'll want to use these special instructions for handling those funds since they really don't belong to you. Start by clicking on the budget icon in the toolbar. Then set up a heading in your budget called Funds Not Belonging to Local Unit or Chapter, pick the term you'd like. Under this heading, add the categories for the money you will be passing through. Let's say you'll be collecting and then passing on dues for state and national chapters, as well as state sales tax. We'll set up categories for each of those. National dues, state dues, state sales tax. There's no point in including budgeted amounts since this money simply travels through your bank account, so we recommend leaving them at $0. Next, keeping with the same example, we're going to add a category for the portion of the dues we're keeping. In this case, local unit dues. When you receive money for dues, you'll split each deposit. I'll walk you through a breakdown. If a membership for your group is $10 and you keep $2, then send the rest to your state and national chapters, then you'll have 3 lines or splits that will look like this. $2 to your local unit dues, $2.25 to national dues, $5.75 to state dues. When you send out their share, it will be entered as a withdrawal. On your report at the end of the day, it will nicely net out to $0. By separating out the state and national portions, you can see at a glance how much you owe to each. Some local units combine them, but in our eyes, it makes things just a little trickier to track. Here's an important note. If you are required to submit a 990EZ to the IRS, you would not include line numbers for the state and national categories. That way, it won't show up in your totals for income and expenses. Otherwise, you and your state and national chapters would be reporting the same information to the IRS. To get more help on this or other topics, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos, or visit our Help Center by clicking on the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing MoneyMinder.